Hello everyone. So in today's lecture, we are going to discuss about civil and architecture planning of high-end luxurious bungalows. Stay tuned with us till the end to get the in-depth understanding of designing of the bungalows. Thank you. Hello. Welcome to Horizon Sky Academy. Horizon Group has an experience of more than 1000 plus projects in last 2 decades in various sectors. We offer various training programs about program design and management. This will help you in skill development for creating mega projects through various platforms. Our programs are useful for engineers, architects, consultants, project managers, O&M engineers, pharmacists, developers, and industrialists. Horizon Skybook publication prepares books, drawings, Excel data, tenders, and reports. This will help you for in-depth understanding of the program. You can download it from Amazon Kindle and hockeycard.com. If you are subject experts or product machine manufacturers and interested in becoming our educational partner, then Horizon Sky Academy welcomes you. Subject experts can publish ebooks or video lectures. Vendors and product machine manufacturers can share the product, videos, or publish advertisement in our books and videos. Horizon has done many mega projects of well-known groups in last 2 decades, comprising of sectors like pharma, power, engineering industries, SEZ, industrial parks, solar parks, malls, multiplexes, hotels, offices, corporate towers, hospitals, R&D centers, townships, high-end bungalows, institutes, archaeological buildings, temples, museums, lakes and amusement parks, road and city infrastructure developments, and other large-scale events. Horizon will share their experiences and knowledge. Stay tuned with us for more than 300 videos in the upcoming time for regular updates and more knowledgeable content. If you want to get in-depth understanding of each and every topic presented over here, you can buy our books from Amazon Kindle or hockeycard.com.
Hello,
Hi Yash.
I hope you have designed the bungalow as per my requirements.
Yes, of course.
I mean, have you incorporated all the requirements in your modern design architecture? Like in this 11,000 square feet size plot, have you incorporated an elite class living firstly? Secondly, all the amenities I told you, like a swimming pool, theater, a lush green environment, and most importantly, some privacy from our mom and dad.
Yes, I have incorporated each and everything which you have told.
Okay, I know you are my sister, but can you sell me this concept like professionals or the marketing people or developers do?
Yes, of course, why not? So, I think that if you see this concept, you will probably like it a lot and you'll make it go viral.
Okay, sure. Explain me.
Let's start it.
Sure.
See, this is a bubble diagram and a ground floor plan. From the entry porch, we can enter to the home. Vendors addressed in vestibule. All rooms like living room, family room, kitchen, puja room, and 2 villas are connected with L corridor and pool deck. Approach to the first floor is at the entrance and within the 2 villas. Villa is like resort room with living, bath and small pool at ground floor and bedroom at the first floor. Here you can see is the bubble diagram and the first floor plan. From the entry porch, your friends can enter to the gym and home theater at L corridor at the first floor through elevator without disturbing the home and the people inside them. L corridor at first floor is one side looking to the pool and the other side would be the rooms like bedrooms, villa bedrooms and study room which both are connected. So, did you like the concept? Was it good enough?
I like the concept, but can you make me visualize it more so I can understand it properly?
Yes, why not? You can understand it by going through the walkthrough and I'll make you understand each and every space in detail by describing it and you can have a look on it.
Okay, sure. Go ahead.
Yeah, sure. So, As you can see the elevation, this luxurious bungalow is designed with modern ideas using elements of exposed bricks, exposed RCC and glass shrubbery intertwined with lush green environment. So let's move in, see grand porch with roof cover for rain protection, car and vehicle park, beautiful flower beds, vestibule for short time visitors on the left. From the elevator, you can access to the gym and home theater at the first floor. This is an L-shaped corridor over here, which is connecting each and every area of the home with one another. Corridor with huge sliding folding doors offering panoramic view of the swimming pool. Wooden flooring deck with the outdoor sitting and dining is connected to the kitchen through L corridor. So over here, this is a formal living room for guests. You can see wide glass windows with the view of lush green garden area. Now, let's move on to the kitchen. It's provided high-end modular kitchen area adjoining the store, which is inside and connected to the living room and dining area. Dining area over here, as you can see, is intertwined with the family living room, making the space a huge and lively area. So, in this kitchen, there are multiple amenities provided for work. Family living room, as you can see over here, is with an entertainment area. The lavish interiors enhance the beauty and comfort the whole space. So, let's move forward. Moving forward to the villa. In this you have small private living room, internal stair to the bedroom, small pool is connected with the bath which gives you open and closed showers, and upstairs the balcony you can have fruit juices in peaceful environment. Bedroom is connected to the first floor L corridors. Study room is also connected to it. So here you can also have the beautiful view of the backyard and the gardens from the balcony of the first floor from the bedrooms. So this is the lush green environment. Now let's move on to the guest bedroom. This room is with high-end furniture and attached toilet to it. It has adjoining balcony with a view of serene nature. So over here, from the way you can see, this is a magnificent view of the pool, wooden pergolas and the trees beyond it. Seems like an ultimate beauty and a time to spend around. So now moving forward towards the home theater and the gym area. As you can see, now this is the home theater with 12% capacity, designed with all wooden flooring, recliner chairs, acoustic wooden cladding to enjoy movies and watch with thrill and joy. Moving on, this is the gym for six-pack abs which you want to make, and probably you will never have it in the future. So now let's move towards the terrace, and it's a very huge terrace. So as you can see, this is an whole staircase cabin with glass facades to have an overlooking view towards the porch entry. Now that's a very huge terrace, and you can also have solar panels over it to save energy bills. And don't worry, it will not cut your kite flying areas. That could be done upon the rooms given on the terraces. Now you can see this is the backside view of the bungalow. You can see bamboos over private small pool areas for privacy. Wash and kid play areas are separated by flower beds and trees to get a proper distinguishing between the two different areas. You'd be able to pass through and walk through the flower beds. Now let's move on to the front side. See, all the rooms and kitchen has garden view. You can see swing and sitting area in the front side of the porch. Here is the parking for the cars. Now passing through the entry porch, let's move to the pool area. Pool entry can be closed with the door. See wooden pergolas with colorful flowers on the hanging creepers, welcoming and inviting towards the pool. Pool and the poolside sitting. Think about leisure time in the garden meadows with beautiful views in the sky. Such a nostalgic space to take care of your every comfort and will give you different thematic experience of nature. So now let's move on to the backyard for barbecue and sitting and playing with your kids and do yoga in the morning period. So, how's the home? Was I able to convince you?
I loved it. You were definitely successful in convincing me. It's great.
Thank you very much. Stay tuned with us for more than 300 videos in the upcoming time for regular updates and more knowledgeable content. If you want to get in-depth understanding of each and every topic presented over here, you can buy our books from Amazon Kindle or hockeycard.com.